We got a 2022 IS 500. I haven't seen a lot of these in Lexuses come through. The IS 250s and 350s, they don't sound too loud. I'm pretty sure with this muffler delete right here, it's gonna sound very aggressive. All right, let's check it out. Guys, everything's stock. You got the cats, you have the resonators right there in the middle. Even if you remove those, I don't think they'll be doing too much. But the mufflers back here, what suffocates the sound. So we removed those and replaced it with these slant HKS tips right there, the burnt blue. These things look really good. I love how the tips fit on this car. Over there is where the stock muffler is, as you can see. Guys, if you want, you could do the resonators next. Also tips, we have the largest selection. Go to gexhaust.com and we could ship them straight to your door. All right, let me know.